Hello, my name is Andrew Tauatevalu. I'm Tongan, 21 years old, and my family's been here for a very long time. I was born in Tonga. My mother's sister thought it was a good idea for us to come to Gisborne for a better life. We left Tonga when I was 5 years old, and yeah, we've been here ever since. My rugby career started when I was at Boys High. I started playing rugby when I was in the first 15 back in 2014. I was playing fullback and wing back then, and now I'm playing for high school old boys. I've been playing fullback for high school old boys for 3 years now. Yeah, it's really fun just running around with your mates. I went to high school old boys because one of my mates just told me that he's going there, so I just followed him. One of the things I enjoy about coming to church are our gatherings every week and seeing other family members. Coming to church helps us maintain our culture and our language. Some of the teachings I take from church are to be humble on the field and focus. Some of the stuff we practice here at church are singing, action songs, and learning about the Bible. This has been the only church I've been to ever since we moved here, and it's special to me because I think it holds our family together. My goal is to make a big, try and make a Super Rugby team, especially the Hurricanes, and give back to my mum. That's it. She's been doing a lot for our family, and I think it's time to give back to her.